Hello student, good morning. Now today's topic is longitudes, chapter 3, locating place on the earth. The meridian of longitudes are a set of imaginary vertical lines. They are in the form of semicircle which cover towards the pole and are the widest at the equator. Unlike the parallel of latitudes, they are all equal in length. The line of longitudes are drawn all around the globe at an interval of an angle of 1 degree. As all these line of longitudes are equal, one particular line of longitudes was to be selected for numbering them. The line of longitude passing through the British Royal Observatory at Greenwich, London, has been adopted as the prime meridian or 0 degree longitude. There are 180-degree longitudes, each drawn on both sides of the prime meridian. The value of the meridians of longitude start from 1 degree to 180 degree towards the east as well as towards the west side of the prime meridian. Now you see these are the prime meridian. Okay, prime longitudes line. As well as the half part of the earth on the east to the prime meridian is called eastern hemisphere and the other half to the west is called the western hemisphere. Thus in each hemisphere there are 180-degree longitudes. The total number of longitudes is thus 360. Meridian to the east of the prime meridian are marked as E, whereas to the west of prime meridian as W. However, 180 degree is a common line and form international date line in the Pacific Ocean. These lines, parallel longitudes, latitudes, line make a grid. Now, next topic is grid. You see there equators, south pole, north pole, and prime meridian lines. Okay, so grid of parallels and meridians. A network of the line of latitudes and longitudes intersecting each other is called a grid. Each place on a globe is intersected by a vertical and horizontal line. Thus, with the help of these two sets of line or the grid system, the location of any place can be determined. For example, Nasik in Maharashtra is located at an intersections of 20-degree north parallel of the latitudes and 74-degree east line of longitudes. Then next topic is longitudes and time. In ancient time, changing season, day and night, and position of the sun were some of the means to estimate time. People observe the path of the sun in the sky to estimate the time. The earth, as we know, rotates from west to east and complete one rotation in 24 hours. This also means that 360 longitude face the midday sun one after the other in the 24 hours. Thus, 15-degree longitude pass before the sun is a period of 1 hour or 60 minutes. Further, it takes 4 minutes for one longitude to cross before the sun. All the places located on the same meridian have the same local time. The local time of one meridian differ from the other. If it is noon or 12 o'clock at Greenwich, the local time of all places at 30-degree east longitudes will be 13 to 4 minute is equal to 120 minute or 2 hour ahead. It means the time of 30-degree east will be 12 plus 2 is equal to 2 p.m. On the other hand, the local time of all place at 30° west longitudes will be 2 hours behind the Greenwich time. It will be 12 minus 2, 10 am. Thus, the local time will be ahead at all the place in the east of the given meridian and it will be behind at a place in the west of the given meridian. Standard time. We know that places located on different meridian have different local time. It would create a lot of difficulties if all countries would adopt different local times. The railway timetables and the schedule of the air flight would be difficult to prepare. People crossing the longitudes would have to adjust their watch. India lie between 68 degrees 7 minute east and 97 degree 25 minute east longitude. Think about the problems the people of India would face if they follow the different local time. Then the difference of 68 degree 7 minute east and 97 degree 25 minute east difference are 29 degree something, 29 something. Then the time differ from 2 hours. In order to avoid these problems and maintain its uniformity all over a country, it was decided to adopt the local time of a central meridian of a country as the standard time of India. Mostly, the meridian selected is divisible by 7 degree 30 minutes so that the difference between its standard time and the Greenwich Mean Times is expressed in the multiples of half an hour. The meridian select for a country is called standard meridian. Do you know? Some countries have a vast longitudinal extent. That's why country like Russia has a 9 and USA has 4 time zones. Now you see here in this world map. You see middle of the line. Yeah, this line. There's a Greenwich Mean Time line. Okay, you see in this picture. Okay. Then India, spanning roughly over 30-degree longitudes, has selected 82-degree 30-minute east longitude as its standard meridian. It passed through a place near Mirzapur. Its located time is taken as the Indian Standard Time (IST). The Greenwich Mean Time (GMT) is 5.5 hours behind the Indian Standard Time. Greenwich Mean Time is followed by all country for the international airlines and ship fleets. Do you know? Although about 30-degree longitude pass over India, yet it has selected only one standard meridian and one standard time from the whole country for convenience. This is called the Indian Standard Time. Okay, thank you.